How to trim video in Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can trim videos in Instagram story. So Instagram will actually allow you to upload up to 1 minute video. So as long as the video does not exceed 1 minute, there's no need for you to actually go ahead and then trim them into multiple parts. But if it's longer than 1 minute and then you want to trim them to multiple parts, just download an application called Video Splitter, which is available on Play Store and App Stores as well. And once you've done that, simply open it up. Once you open the Video Splitter app, just tap on the split video section here and then select the video that you want to split. So in this case, let me just select this 5-minute video over here. I want to split them into 59 or 60 seconds each to 5 to 6 different parts, which I can upload them on my story one after another. So let the processing to be complete, and over here I can select custom split, and then from here I can simply go ahead and then choose the particular timer in this case. Then once I choose the timer, which is, let's say I will just leave it at 59 seconds, I can just hit the arrow button. Then it will crop this video into basically Video Splitter and then into 5 different parts or 6 different parts depending upon the length of the video to 59 seconds each to the ones that you sent here. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then basically upload them to your story one after another. And this way you will be able to trim video in Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.